Hello, as we say in Wales, do you remember how angry Tony Jaa was when they stole his elephant? It's pretty angry.
We're shocked!
I'm feeling a little bit like death today, so what I'd like to do is to power through it by giving you my favourite Welsh vocabulary. Pure vocab, go. The first word I'd like to introduce you to is PENDRAMWNWGL, which means headlong. And you'd use that like, I was rhedeg and BENDRAMWNWGL to get to work on time. The second word that I love is BLODEUGERDD, which means mischief. And do you have a moment to talk about ODYN? No, this is not me witnessing door to door for the father of the Norse gods. And ODYN is a kiln. Kiln. And then I recently discovered the word BLODEUGERDD, which is made up of the words blodau, flowers, and gerdd, poem. But it doesn't mean, unfortunately, flower poem. It means anthology. BLODEUGERDD. And then, of course, there's the word MOCHYNDRA, which there used to be a fair amount of in these videos, and it seems to have peeled off lately. MOCHYNDRA is piggishness or filth. Filth. MOCHYNDRA. And of course, if you've been watching for a long time, you'll be well familiar with my love for the word GWEFREIDDIOL. GWEFREIDDIOL is, of course, electrifying. And what sort of dang fool would I be if I didn't attempt to give you a sentence that uses all of these lovely words? A fool. That's what I'd be. A dang fool. Rydw i eisiau golygu blodeugerdd llawn direidi a fochyndrad sy'n cynnwys stori wefreiddiol am panda coch sy'n syrthio'n BENDRAMWNWGL I fewn I ODYN. Ac yn fyw. Ond sori am heddiw dwi angen stopio.
We're shocked!
Fideos newydd pob dydd Mercher a dydd Sadwrn, dewch yn ôl, tan ysgrifwch, edrychwch allan, amin, gadewch I fi wybod, lawr fyna, beth yw eich geiriau, hoff geiriau, beth yw eich hoff geiriau, beth yw eich hoff geiriau, hoff geiriau. And insensible, that means let me know down below, what are your favourite Welsh words? And I will make the longest sentence I can possibly make out of them all.